Hello students, welcome you all on my channel. I am here with the topic brain, and in that the frontal part of the brain. Here I will discuss the forebrain. And why I have focused here, because many students had asked me, sir, please explain the prosencephalon in detail and its area. The association area means what are the areas associated with particular lobes. And it is very vital. If you will understand, then you can able to solve whatever the problems arising from the prosencephalon. So here I am going to make one flow chart through which I will explain you about the prosencephalon. Here, as I told you in my previous video, that brain is divided into especially three parts: the forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. So here I will discuss only the prosencephalon, means the forebrain and its four lobes. So let's start. So that it will be easy to understand. Here are the lobes, areas, and the function. The first one is the frontal. The first one is the frontal. The frontal lobe have four areas. It consists of four areas. The number one is motor area. B, premotor area. C, association area. And D is the Broca's area. As I had told you about all these areas in my previous video, if you will see. But here I will tell you all the areas function in brief, so that you will never miss particular areas function. The motor area, it is always in relation with the voluntary activity. It deals the voluntary activity of muscles. The main function it deals with. I'm talking about the motor area. Student, please focus here. I'm talking about the motor area. It deals with voluntary activities of muscles. Now the premotor area. Premotor area, it deals with the involuntary activity of muscle as well as autonomic nervous system. It plays crucial role in involuntary. I'm using the term here is voluntary, this is the involuntary activities of muscles and autonomic nervous system. Now association area. This area playing very crucial role. This area aids in understanding, means reasoning, thinking, memory, all whatever the vital things are there are dealt by the association area. So in this area, like learning, memory, reasoning, etc. are stored. And also it thinks, it works according to the past experiences of the person. Suppose that a person had seen or heard a voice of particular animal. So whenever the voice of that particular animal will come, especially the sound I am using, voice is characteristic of human only. So the sound, whatever the sound will come, the person will recognize because of association area. So this area also acting as a storage or a store which contain all vital information, and whenever the person listen or repeat that incident, this association area will help. So it stores informations of past experiences. Now the Broca's area. This area I'm talking about, Broca's area. The Broca's area is area of motor speech. Like a speech is coming, so voice. So it deals with the area of motor speech. Motor speech. Now the second lobe is parietal lobe. Parietal, it has three areas. Gustatory area, first one is gustatory area. It is related with the taste. The second one is somesthetic area. Somesthetic area. And the third one is left lobe. Left parietal lobe. Left parietal lobe. Now this area of parietal lobe is concerned with the function taste. Somesthetic area. This area is in association. It's an association with perception of pressure, touch, temperature, and pressure I have discussed, etc. And now the left part of the parietal lobe is concerned with speech. Now the third one is temporal lobe. And it has also three areas: auditory, part 3 of vernix area. As you are familiar with the term, auditory means it is related with the hearing. Olfactory, it is related with the smell of sense of smell, related to the nose. And this vernix area of speech, means understanding speech. Suppose that there are, as I have told you in my previous video, there are many people, those who are knowing the multilingual languages. So they are, how they are understanding all the languages, how they are just converting, translating the languages and understanding because of the vernix area of the temporal lobe. I will also tell you one important thing related to the temporal lobe of the prosencephalon. This is the vernix area, means understanding of speech. Understanding of speech. Now the fourth part is frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, and occipital lobe. Occipital lobe. It has only one area. This is the visual area. Already. It is related with the perception of images, means picture, visualization. So it is the visual area. Vision, related with vision. Now I have told you that I will speak special terms related to the temporal lobe. You must be knowing about the term hippocampus, not the hippocampus, not the fish hippocampus. Hippocampus is the part of the brain which are embedded in the temporal lobe. Temporal lobe. The hippocampus is one of the vital organs, and it plays very crucial role in memory. For instance, useless, worthless things are omitted from the area. For instance, this is related to me, I am telling you, and everybody facing. Daily earlier I used to forget where I have kept my specs, but now I just practice and I just focus that. Where is the motorcycle key? So these are useless things. So what the brain doing? Eliminating the useless things for the right one. So your interest towards the particular subject, why you are interested towards only particular subject? You cannot accommodate the same amount of study material in your brain at the same time, because one of the favorite subject will go first and stored in the temporal area, the hippocampus area, and the other one will be lost, so that one of the best subject will be in your mind first. So the hippocampus play very crucial role in behavior, emotions, sexual arousal, and what the memory. The main important thing is memory. What you like, what your brain like, it will store first, and what your brain does not like or it dislikes, it will eliminate instantly. So it's all about the prosencephalon and its lobes, area and function. One of the students asked me how the prisoners die suddenly or instantly when they are hanged. The reason is that, see, hanging is the punishment by the law, and any prisoner, those who are sentenced to be hanged till death, what is happening here? the rope's noose cord. This is the noose cord. This is the noose cord. It fits here. They fit here. And when they hang, this noose cord breaks the atlas. Atlas is the first vertebral column bone. It breaks and its pointed end, the odontoid process, pierces the brain stem. Not the atlas one, the axis pointed end, the second bone which is present below the atlas, its pointed end comes out and pierces the brain stem and leads to instant death. Nobody can save if the brain stem is damaged. And one more important thing, many students are understanding brain stems. Brain stem means only simply medulla oblongata. No, brain stem consists of medulla oblongata, plus pons viroli, plus middle brain, and diencephalon. So it's all about the forebrain, and the question was related with the hanging, why the prisoners die instantly after hanging. So I hope all the terms are clear. In my next video, I will discuss about the ventricles of the brain and the spinal cord. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with the channel, student.